Hello guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe before watching our video tutorial about MS Word interface demonstration. So, see ya! So first, we need to open the Microsoft Word, but make sure that it's installed in your desktop, laptops, or PC, or in your smartphones. It is widely available in Play Store, like this. Just search Microsoft Word and click install, and you can access it quickly or in any Microsoft websites like this. Anyway, since the Microsoft is widely upgraded since then, we all know that it has different versions such as Microsoft Office 2003, 2007, 2010, 2013, and 2016. So here, in the topmost layer of the Microsoft Word, you can see the Customize Quick Access toolbar, where you can save your documents, undo your documents, to reverse your last action or to retrieve the current past action, and redo, to reverse the last undo or to recover the last undo. Inside the different selection in the ribbon tabs, you will see these commands that inside the different command groups.
So let's start. Here, click the File tab. It's in the top left side of the screen or in the menu bar for Mac users. From here, you have several useful options on the far left side of your screen. First is the Info. Click this to review the document or statistics such as when it was last modified as well as any potential issues with the document. Next is New. Click this to bring up the new document page that lists all of the pre-formatted templates like this, as you can see here. And opening a new document will prompt you to save your old one. Next is Open. Click this to review a list of recently opened documents, and you can also select a directory, example this PC, in which to search. Next is Save. Click this to save your document. If this is your first time saving this particular document, you'll be prompted to enter a name, save location, and preferred file format as well. Save As. Click this to save your document as something, like for example, a different name or file format. Print. Click this to bring up your printer settings. And next is Share. Click this to view sharing options for this document, including email, here, you need to sign in here, and cloud options of course. And next is, you can click Export. Click this to quickly create a PDF or change the file type. So here, in Home tab, at the top of your screen from left to right are 5 subsections of this tab. The clipboard, whenever you copy text, it is saved on your clipboard. You can view copied text by clicking the clipboard option here. And then font, from this section, you can change your font styles, such as Century Goth, and then Algerian, and so on and so forth. And then you also have size, which you can decrease or increase it whenever you want. And then color, in which you can choose your favorite colors and a very beautiful color. And then formatting, in which you can bold it, italic, and underline it. And you can also clear it if you made it wrong. And then highlighting, you can choose it the very most important text in here. And then also in paragraph, you can change aspects of your paragraph formatting such as line spacing, 1.5, 1.15, whatever. And then indentation, decrease it or increase it. And then bullet formatting, and choose whatever bullet point you want. And then the styles, this section covers different types of text for various situations, such as headings, titles, and subtitles. You will also see the popular no spacing here option, which removes excess spaces between lines of text. And then editing, a couple of commonly used tools such as Find and Replace, which allows you to quickly replace all the appearances of one word with another. Click the Insert tab to review the types of media you can place in your document. Insert is to the right of the Home tab. The Insert tab allows you to add things like graphics and page numbers to your document. From left to right, a couple of notable options include the following. First is Table. Clicking this option will allow you to create an Excel-style table right in your document. Next is Pictures. Use this feature to insert a picture into your document. Next is Header, Footer, and Page Number. These options are all essential for writing in MLA or APA style formatting. The header places a space at the top of the document for comment, while the footer goes at the bottom. Page numbers are customizable. equation or symbol, these options use special formatting to accurately display simple equations. You can select these equations or symbols from the pertinent drop-down menu like this. So, click the Design tab to create own template. It is located to the right of the Insert tab. The Design tab contains pre-designed themes and format listed across the top of the page, such as Title 1, Title 2, etc., etc. And the Layout, which customizes your page's formatting. This tab contains options for changing the following aspects of your document, such as margins, in which you can normalize, narrow, or moderate your margin, and page orientation, in which you can portrait or even landscape it. And also the page size, in which you can select the size of your document, such as it is short, legal, or A4. And then the number of columns, which you can default to 1, 2, 3, or 4. And location of page break, which you can like that. And indentation. You can indent it 10% if you want. Click the references to manage your citations. If you have a bibliography page, you can also manage it from here. For quick bibliography formatting, click the bibliography drop-down and select a template here. In the Citations and Bibliography group of options, you can change your bibliography formatting from APA here, from APA to MLA or whatever style you want or format. The Captions group here has an option to insert a table of figures. This is useful for scientific review papers or similar documents in which statistical data is prioritized over quotations. Next is click the Mailings tab to review your document sharing options. You can review your email settings and share your documents from within this section. You can also print an envelope or label template by clicking the pertinent option in the top left corner of your screen. The Select Recipients allows you to choose Outlook, contacts, as well as an existing contact list within the Word. Click the Review tab. The Review section is geared towards editing, so it includes options for marking up documents and proofreading. A couple of important options includes spelling and grammar. Click this option far left corner to underline any spelling or grammatical errors. The Changes section. This is the far right of the toolbar. From here, you can enable the Track Changes, which automatically formats any additions or deletions you make in a document to appear in red theme. So now, let's decide on the set of options that best apply to your work. If you are a student, for example, you will likely use the Insert and Reference tab often. Now that you are familiar with the toolbar options, you can format your first Word document. So, open a new blank document in Word. Click this. If you have an existing document, you can open that instead. And of course, next, enter text. Like anything you want. Hello there, subscribers. Do this by clicking on the blank section of the document and typing away. But, if you open an existing document, be sure to save your work before reformatting. Then next, highlight a section of text. To do this, click and drag like this. Click and drag your cursor across your writing. Then let go when you've highlighted the section you wish to edit. So now, let's consider what you want to do to the writing. Some potential options include quickly format your writing. Do this by right-clicking or two-finger clicking your highlighted text and then selecting an option from the right-click menu. You can also change the font of your section. You can do this by clicking the drop-down bar at the top of the font section and then selecting a new font like Century Gothic or Algernon. And then bold, italicize, or underline your highlighted section. To do this, the B or I and U in the font section of the Home tab. Change your document spacings. This is easiest to accomplish by right-clicking your selected text, click Paragraph, and modifying the line spacing value in the bottom right corner of this window. So guys, after typing all your documents and finishing it completely, editing it, put what you want, pictures or any editing format you want, just click File and Save As. Then just browse where you want to put that document into your file in your computer and select Word document to to save it as a Word document. Then, select here what you want to do. Name it what you want. Then, just click Save. It will automatically save. And you can edit it anytime you want here in Recent. Here in Open. And you will see it in Recent Documents. So, guys, continue working with Word, and your preferred options for your documents will differ based on the intention behind creating them. So, the more you work within your own particular format, the more proficient you'll become.
So, hey! Hindi ko alam. So, guys! Hi, guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel! We're done! Finally, we're done. Yeah. So, the tutorial about the MS Word interface demonstration is finally done. So, yes! It's done! Just like I said, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't hit